What is that?
Easter eggs. Mommy, I got Easter eggs.
What is this?
Mommy, I got Easter eggs. Can they live good?
No,
Look,
what
no,
is
no,
this?
these are special ones.
These are Kinder.
The ones with the toys inside.
Oh, awesome. I melted a little bit.
Open it. Let's open it, Mommy.
Yeah.
Just a little.
Open one. Let's see what they have inside.
Look at this. Look. It's chocolate and then it has stuff inside.
Look.
Nancy, look at this. No, look at inside. Look.
It has a toy.
It has a toy. Wait, I'll give it to you. Hold on.
All right, Ma, they're a little melted. We're going to clean up the mess, but we'll take a picture of the finished product. Right. What is that?
What is it?
How do you open that? That's like the YouTube videos that you look at, right? Help her.
Do it. Let's open the hole.
Hold this. Give me.
You pull it out. You pull it out, Ben.
Look.
Look, niece. Oh my God, what is it?
Oh, look, it's a football. It's a football player.
Look at that.
Who is this go?
Niecy, look at that. You like
I
that?
think he holds it somehow.
What are you going to say to Grandma?
Thank you, Grandma.
Look over here in the camera.
Thank you, Grandma.